Love emotion. Many of you cannot solve your own love emotion. Why? When you say someone broke your heart and you don't know how to let go, now is the moment to realize that if that person truly loves you, that person will have a full respect for you and would never do such a things to hurt you. Whether that person is cheated on you, physically abused, mentally abused, in any way, that person would never have the heart to make you feel miserable and painful. Now is the moment for you to recognize the truth. The truth that no one truly can make you happy. And if you are searching for happiness on someone else, chances are you will be very disappointed. In this understanding, right now, if you are alone by yourself, take a moment to yourself, to return to yourself, to meditate, to accept everything that had happened to you, and to really draw yourself into this moment, here and now, and make a change in your state of mind. Think positive, be at peace. Breathing in, I am here. Breathing out, I am at peace. Breathing in, I am love. Breathing out, I am healing. Yes, you can heal yourself at any given moment. I encourage everybody to put meditation in your every breath, in your every moment that you are here. Pay attention to your thoughts, pay attention to your state of thinking, knowing that it's not you, it's a part of you. And the awareness of that is the moment you can truly let that go and return to yourself, so that you can have a peaceful and a joyful moment to yourself. I hope you have a wonderful day, everybody. Let it all out and let it all go. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you, and so do I.